Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to find the equation of the normal line to a curve at a certain point. In the last couple videos we found the slope at any given point on a curve, we found the equation of the tangent line at any given point on the curve, and in this video we're going to do the equation of the normal line, which is perpendicular to the tangent line. Now, before we get into the problem, I just want to remind you that this video is part of a full free course on calculus. It is at engineerforfree.com/calculus, and basically here there's about 50 tutorials here. Each of them is about 5 to 10 minute video covering all the different topics that you'll find in Calculus 1. So I go over functions, limits, derivatives, applications of differentiation, optimization, and integrals. So if you are studying Calculus 1, I do recommend checking it out. The link is in the description below. So in this example, let's find the equation of the normal line at x equals 6. In order to do this, we're going to need to find the y-coordinate of the function when x equals 6. And to do that, we're just going to plug 6 into the function. So we'll have f of 6 is going to be equal to negative 0.05 times 6 squared plus 10, and that works out to negative 1.8 plus 10, which gives us the final value of 8.2. So the point on the function where the normal line is going to be passing through is x equals 6 and y equals 8.2. So to get going, the first thing we're going to have to do is take the derivative, which we'll just go term by term here. So the first one will bring down the 2. This is going to be negative 0.1 x to the power of 1, and then the constant term goes to 0. So the derivative of the function is negative 0.1 x. We can plug x equals 6 into the derivative to find the slope, which is going to give us a slope of negative 0.6. Now, to find the equation of the tangent line at this point, we're going to use the point slope formula, and we're just going to plug in the slope that we just found for m, and then x1 and y1 are going to be the coordinates of the point at the point that it's touching. And this all simplifies to y is equal to negative 0.6x plus 11.8, which is the equation of the tangent line in the form of y equals mx plus b. So the slope is negative 0.6 and the y-intercept is 11.8. Now the point of this video though is to find the equation of the normal line, and the normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line. So their slopes are the negative reciprocals of each other. So if the tangent line slope is m, then the normal line slope would be negative 1 over m. So when we apply that, we just get negative 1 over negative 0.6, and the normal slope is 1.66 repeating. So now that we have the slope of the normal line and also a point that it passes through, which is x equals 6 and y equals 8.2, we can again just use the point slope form equation, where m is going to be the normal slope and y1 and x1 are going to be coming from that point. So that all just simplifies to the equation y is equal to 1.66x minus 1.8. And this is the equation of the normal line. So let's label this on the drawing. And because this is in the form of y equals mx plus b, we know that the slope of this line is 1.66 and the y-intercept is negative 1.8. Alright guys, hopefully that was helpful. You can apply this method for any function at any point that has a slope, and actually technically you can skip the tangent line work. You don't necessarily need that. You only really need to find the slope of the tangent, and then you can take the negative reciprocal of it to find the equation of the normal line, but why not just find both of them while we're here?